Hi, I'm James. Today we're going to talk about Fight Club. Fight Club is about two men who start an underground fight club to bring excitement to their boring lives. But the club soon becomes more than just about fighting, as the movie kind of forces us to look at why we try to fit into society and whether this makes us truly happy or not. And the most famous line from the movie is, the first rule of Fight Club is, you do not talk about Fight Club.
The first rule of Fight Club is, you do not talk about Fight Club.
We use it when you want someone to keep a secret. Let's say, for example, that me and my buddies went out and had a guys' night out, and the next day we're sitting around with our wives and our girlfriends, and one of my friends starts talking about some of the things that happened last night. I might ask him to be quiet by saying something like, first rule of Fight Club is,